How about that veggie? Does she need that veggie? I seen her. She's hiding that veggie. The Jelana, that veggie chips. No. Yeah. Yeah. Jelana, do you like that veggie? You like that?
Not really.
Yeah, they don't have the vacuum. Where's that? But I know, but if you open it,
I know it's still a chest.
oh, see, I don't like that.
Oh, look at this one. What did you do?
That's a fridge.
In the pantry behind.
Oh, on the next one. Oh, now we go to the candy aisle. Oh, I like candy, chocolate aisle. Oh, wow, I like that. Heavy duty. Seems like that's our. Oh, yeah, yeah. Hey, go on the other side, hon. Frying every day. Why not? I like that. Well, I like that. I'm the one eating. I like the one with white one.
You can try this one. You remember this one?
Okay.
Because then there's also the postal. See this?
Yeah, if they, yeah, that's the one I like. That one we didn't like that one. Yeah, we can eat that on the road. Oh, this is what you're looking for, Han? Yeah. I think this one, we tried that one already. We like that one.
I just wanted to see that.
Oh, shoot. Hey, Han, this is to my office, okay? That's my office. This is for my office. This is for my office.
So I'm going to get a separate cart for those two.
Those two, yeah, yeah.
Okay, I'm good. I'm not gonna like
Oh, hey, there's are the seaweeds. Jade and Julie, there's seaweeds. What you guys like? The other one or the other one? Seaweeds. No? No seaweeds?
Which one?
No seaweed. Okay, no seaweed then.
So you're good on coffee itself, right? If you're
No, I do. I'm good. I'm good. I have a Keurig.
What's Keurig? In your office?
Yeah.
For yourself?
Oh, those are candy. Daddy miss it. Is that local bread the one you bought? Oh, only Freddy's had it. Okay, so wow, for Saturday. On the other side, sorry.